Hello and good day everyone. Today I will water all the dragon fruits, and same I will be using the mixture of coconut water 50% and 50% seawater with 1846 fertilizer. And now this time I will put more potash. I put on the 100 liters bucket at this drum, uh, 2 kilos of 0060. Now is starting fruiting season. As you can see at the back, the dragon fruit, the branches are now getting lowered. Only a few branches are a little bit high, pointing upwards. So most of it are down. So I was able to harvest yesterday dragon fruit, four fruits only, and there are some buds still flowering. And this week, in the coming days, it will bloom. I will pollinate it on the morning, in the morning, and okay. And also, I will spray uh, seawater mixture, 40 or 50% seawater and fresh water. And also, I will water the dragon fruits. And today is the 7th day, so it's time for watering the dragon fruit. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and make a comment. Thank you. So, hello again. I will repeat the mixture of my liquid fertilizer. So, my liquid fertilizer contains 50% of seawater and 50% of coconut water and 184600 fertilizer and 2 kilos, now 2 kilos of 000060 high potash, because it is now flowering, and 2 buckets of this industrial bucket, 2 buckets of chicken manure, and some coconut, what we call this, banana stalk. I chopped it and placed it inside, and I had placed some seaweed. Remember when I took the seawater, when I got some seaweed and I placed it there. And now we will see, it is fruiting stage now, starting fruiting stage. We'll see the effects of the 000060 high potash. So that's it. I will now be watering the dragon fruits. A while ago I was watering the dragon fruits with normal fresh water, and then now I will uh, put some liquid fertilizer. So on my liquid fertilizer I will just use two of these, two pail, and in 16 kilogram, 16 kilogram, sorry, 16 liters of fresh water. So that is the mixture of my liquid fertilizer for the dragon fruit. So that's it. Hello everyone. So today I had finished watering the dragon fruit and placing some liquid fertilizer also. And I was thinking to spray it with 50% seawater and 50% fresh water, but I don't have any more time. It's getting dark already. The time now is 5:27 p.m. So I guess tomorrow I will start to clean the bottom of the dragon fruit. I'll start to remove some weeds, some grass, and then late around 4 p.m. tomorrow or 3:30 p.m. I will start spraying the 50% seawater and 50% fresh water. I'm using 50% because the sun is so high, like it's so hot for the dragon fruit. So I was able to, I had observed for 7 days that my dragon fruit did not get any yellow, as because I had sprayed it before. You can check on my previous videos, and it survived, so it is working. So I think that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and see ya. Bye.